Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see, what the daily candle done for us here, it zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you guys. What it done for us here, as you see it, what me I told you yesterday here about that level here. I told you in the last video, you can find it in the 4 hours. I told you that level here is a very stronger supply and demand zone. That one here, because look at it, the price it came to it, then from it went up, and the same thing now here, that candle here, it's showing a rejection, guys. Yes or no? Look at the peak of it, it's showing it will go up, guys. Should you enter now? Not yet. Here in the daily, it's still very early for you to enter, guys. Still very early for anyone to thinking of to enter here in the daily, because all US stocks they falling today, and the Bitcoin actually it's still very powerful, holding here in that supply and demand zone. That one us we been in it. And in the last video, what did I told you? I told you the demand is high for Bitcoin and the supply is very low, guys. A lot of people now they buying, and I told you the Bitcoin miners they said they are very highly difficulty now to mine. The hash rate, the price of it will get more expensive, guys. And also we are too close to the halving cycle, guys. Are very close to the halving cycle. By the way, if you don't know what the halving cycle, the hash rate and all those things, you can just drop down a comment, and also we will put for you a video explaining all those things to you. But also here for investing in Bitcoin, we are very close, guys, but not yet. We are very close, but not yet. Forget about what other people they telling you online and all those things. We are very close, but not yet. You're learning, my friend, from professional people that the job of them, that's what they doing for a living. Me, I don't care if you invest in Bitcoin or no, or anything, because me, I got my money, I trade by them. I don't need no one to give me his money, but me, I give you the advice of a professional people. We are very close, but not yet. Talking here about long-term investing. We are very close, but not yet, guys. Everything is too clear here, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. It's very simple. It will not take you ages or 1 year or something. It's only 1 second. Down the red button, click at it. It will become subscribed. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you will be subscribed. Or if you want to be notified more quicker, down below in the first comment there is our Telegram channel. You can join it, so like that when we put in a video, we put it there, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube, because as you know, YouTube and crypto, they don't work together, so sometimes they delay to send notifications. So if you want to be notified very quick, you can join our Telegram channel. Everything is too clear here. And in my chart, what I got, guys, same thing, nothing was changed here. I got here, it touched here, now it's showing a rejection. Now if it's going up, maybe it will go up till here. We'll see now what the market will do, guys. Look where we are now. We are in a very stronger level, guys. Yes or no? We touch it here. And here now it's showing a rejection, but either to go back to touch for us that yellow level here again, then after that to drop, or from here it will go up, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go to see our indicators for the same, for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we are here at that level, and now here we said it before, also we are here in the control of the bears. So also, we don't buy in when the bears they controlling. That means the Bitcoin will fall down more. And I tell it to you yesterday. I told you my view is going to come down till here. So it might that one just a trap, guys. A bit Bitcoin it will fall down till here. Then we're going to see if we are going to go up or not. Everything is too clear here. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, did you smash the like button? I know you're going to tell me you are subscribed. Thank you very much for that. But did you smash the like button, my friend? Did you write with it a comment? Help us, guys. Why not? Helping us. You know the channel is still very small, and the growth of it is very slow. And no one can boast that channel more than you guys. No one can boast in this channel more than you guys. It's very simple. Just click at the like button, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one, as you see it, guys. We say it here. here. We said we got here a divergence here. And we said all those things thousands of times in the previous videos, guys. That's why I told you oscillators, they still oscillators. Not every time they're working, guys. Sometimes they work, sometimes not. Look here. Even here you have a divergence. Should you enter here? Not yet, guys. What did I told in the previous videos? What did I say? You are in a very stronger level. Supply and demand zone. Guys, by the way, if you want to learn how to use technical analysis, how to draw the supplies and demand zones, how to draw support and resistance and all those things, down below in the first comment there is our highly recommended technical analysis course. By the way, the course is not expensive. It's only 13 bucks in Udemy, guys. It's not that much. It's only the price of a cup of coffee. If you're using the link down, guys, the course in Udemy it costs 200 bucks, but if you're using the link down, it's going to cost you only 13 bucks. So like that, you're going to learn. It's more than 9 hours, guys. It will take you step by step from scratch till you're going to be a pro technical analysis person. Go to that course. Believe me, it's better than millions of courses online. They sell it to you by $1,000 and $2,000, guys. So as we said here, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Our indicator is it at the oversold area, guys. Should we enter? No. We say that thousands of times. Not yet. We said we are going to enter only if the price action getting broke. Where is the price action? Is that one. It hasn't been broke. And now some of you, they are going to tell me that one is just for short term. Yes, the long term, it's that one, guys. Not the long term price action. But that one for the weekly and monthly, guys. Us here, if it came and breaking for us here, we'll enter from here, maybe till that zone here. So from here, from 20k till 26 or 27k, we'll make some profit, guys. Then if it's breaking here, we are not going to sell. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. And us, guys, every day we given a daily signal, guys. So if you are interested to the Bitcoin, it's very simple. Just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notifications. So when also we're giving our analysis, we're giving signals and you can benefit from that. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Let's go now to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours. Is our friend. What we said here. We are the only channel we tell you to enter from here. To enter short. Me, I watch all the others what they say. Majority of them, they are crap. Majority of them, they never ever trade, guys. We are the only channel we tell you to enter here. Look where we are. And now what we have here. But did I told in the last video, you can find it even there. I told you got here a very stronger supply and demand zone here in the 4 hours, guys. Yes or no? What the Bitcoin done here in that zone here, exactly what it done for you here. Me zoom it to explain to you what it done there, guys. That candle here, the last video. Then there came that 2 green candles after it. Then it came that big red candle, that one. That one it tried to break to give you another low, guys. Then that one. Yes or no? And us professional people, we call in that candle, that the candle of hitting stop lose or stop lose hunter. Now, when you know what it did now, because they know people, they spot that one is a very stronger supply and demand zone. They will enter from here. They put in pending orders here, and the stop loss of them is going to be down here. Then look what they do. Those ones, that the candle of market makers, guys. It fall down till here to hit in stop loss. Now I think it will go higher. Should you enter now, guys? Not yet. There is no price action here. It's indicating for us it's going to go higher, guys. It might that one. It's just a high. Then after that, it's going to give us another low. Where is the price action? We're going to tell us if we need to enter or no, guys. Look with me. Look what I've done here. And here, actually, us we said it is a channel, but now it's become like a wage. Yes or no? Now, either to break for us down or to come to break for us higher, guys, here. If it's breaking higher, we will enter long, guys. Where is the take profit? Here, at that zone. Everything is very simple, guys, here. If it doesn't break higher, also we are not going to enter. We're going to wait until it's going to break higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's see our indicators, what it's saying for the pictures to be more clear to you. Did you smash the like button, my friend? I know you haven't. Go now and smash in the like button, please. You done it? And write with it a comment helping us, guys. Thank you very much, my friend. Let's see now our indicator, what it's saying for the pictures to be more clear to you, guys. Here our indicator, as you see it came down till here. It show here a rejection, but look at it. If you bring like that a trend line, you see it or no? Should you buy now, my friend? Not yet. You're waiting maybe to touch here the trend line or to fall down till the oversold area or to come and to break for you the higher. Everything is very simple, guys. Just some people, they make it very complicated for you guys. Let's go now to see our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, if you remember, was here we told you to enter short. Yes or no? Where we are now. We are at the oversold area, guys. Now people they enter with us short. I told you in the last video started taking profit, guys. Now the people they enter short, it's the right time to take profit, guys. It's the right time to take profit. And also now we are at the oversold area. Now we need to look in only for buy opportunity, guys. Yes or no? And look here at our friend. Look at the 200 moving average, guys. What he doing here? It's flat. Yes or no? And what did I told you about that in the last videos, guys? What did I told you? Market downtrend or uptrend, rest in, then after that either to break down or to go up. That's what they call it. Market structure is like that. It's working every time. In an uptrend, same thing. Uptrend, rest in, then maybe it's going to continue the uptrend or it's going to reverse to a downtrend. Here, what you're seeing, guys, we've been in a downtrend. Yes or no? Now what we done? We are resting here. Yes or no, guys? We are resting here. And who tell you that is the 200 moving average. Look at it. Very, very dry market. And look at the volume here. What it's doing? It's been going up. Big volatility, guys. But there is no direction either up or down. Now, what you can do, my friend, now. Plus, we follow our structure, guys. We are at the oversold area. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. We need to wait in the price action to break. Either the one here or to come and to give us here maybe a double bottom or a head and shoulder or a wedge or whatever. And here, what did I told you about here the 4 hours, guys? What did I told you in the previous videos, guys? I told you have there a triangle. Yes or no? So either that one to fall down to touch here or maybe from here to go up and to break for us here, guys. Yes or no? You see it or no? That's why the market is getting flat here, guys. Big investors, they waiting where it's going to break, either down or to break higher, guys. Everything is too clear here, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Yes or no? Last video, what did I told you? If you've been with us, what did I told you? I told you here in 30 minutes what you got. In 30 minutes, I told you got a channel, a down channel like that. Look at it. Yes or no? Now what the market give you, guys, here in 30 minutes. It came here to that peak. Look with me where I'm going to start. To that peak, that one, and like that. What you seeing? We started from here, here, and here. What it giving you here in 30 minutes, guys? It give you a down wage. Yes or no? Or a decent wage or whatever. The names doesn't matter. The most important to learn how to draw those things and to learn how to trade them. Now, what should you do, my friend? Should you buy, should not? You wait in that one to come to break higher, guys. If it doesn't break in here, we are not going to enter. If it doesn't break in here, we are not going to enter. Why? I'm going to explain to you everything. Look where we are. We're in a very stronger supply and demand zone. And that candle here of 30 minutes, guys, that one, it's showing a big pin bar. And the volume down, it's showing green. Should we enter? Not yet, my friend. Our indicator, what it's saying? Let me show it to you. Our indicator, it's saying you are at the oversold area. You came out from it in that zone here. Now it's showing it's going back. Yes or no? It might now is going to give you here a divergence, but should you enter? Not yet, my friend. Unless if it came and breaking for us, that price action may I show you now. That one. If it doesn't break it up, also we are not going to enter, guys. Remember those things. If it doesn't break it up here, we are not going to enter. Everything is very simple, guys. I'm talking here about scalping and day trading, guys, not for long-term traders. And I'm going to come to you after the daily candle finish it, guys. And by the way, that week there is very, very huge news coming to the market. That way you see the market is flat. The news which is coming is the inflation of USA or CPI of USA. So you need to make a close eye at it. I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.